this video, I will show you the famous area of Playa Car and the reopening of Playa del Carmen.
Hello everybody, hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna go down to the beach and see if the beach is finally open here in Playa del Carmen. We're gonna go through a famous area here where I live called Playacar. So let's go. Everything has been closed here for the past 2 months, but they said that it was gonna be open on June 8th. Oh, the sun is shining again. There was a storm here recently called Cristobal. It was raining a lot and storm, but now it's gone. And the weather is perfect once again.
Playa del Carmen had been totally closed for the past 2 months, but it was about to open up again. I had been living in an area of the west part of town called Playa Car. It's a green area with hotels and houses along the coast. The area is located in the east part of Mexico and has a tropical climate with an average temperature of 25 degrees Celsius or 80 Fahrenheit.
This is what the typical area of Playa Car looks like. So we have a circle that goes all around the neighborhood and it's about 6 kilometers long. All the streets look really nice with nice palm trees and good nature.
I was on my way out to the hotel area and passed by some really nice neighborhoods on the way.
On this side of Playa Car you have a lot of hotels starting here and you can see them along the beach. Really nice area and a really nice neighborhood.
I had walked through the neighborhood and came out to the hotels.
Around here in Playa Car we have so many 5-star luxury resorts. Here we have RIU on this side.
Here you have some really big resorts with direct access to the beach. The beach was a bit bigger, but was recently pushed further in by the tropical storm Cristobal.
We also have small communities here with stores. You have 7-Eleven and OXO and some boutiques. And yeah, it's a really cool place. Here we have another resort, a bunch of 5-star resorts. Here we have the famous RIU. You have this hotel chain all over Mexico, in Cancun, Playa del Carmen and other famous places. RIU, another luxury resort. Here we have some really expensive houses all over this area. There's also access to the beach from Playa Car. You have the beach going along the whole neighborhood. There's a lot of seaweed on the beach now.
June 8th was the official opening date of Playa del Carmen. The hotels will be starting to open up one by one in the coming weeks, and the seaweed will also be cleaned up.
A lot of seaweed on the beach. Between May and November there is seaweed, but it's still really nice. The temperature about 30 degrees Celsius, so about 90 Fahrenheit.
Hello guys, hello everyone. We are happy that Mexico quarantine is nearly over. Tomorrow apparently they should be opening up beaches one by one. Now we came to the beach and there's lots of people, well not loads, but some people. And
this is what the beach looks like in Playa del Carmen. We have Playa Car on that side that I showed you earlier. But here in Playa del Carmen, you actually see a lot of people over there. So it seems like it will be open. Actually, maybe the beach is already open.
In downtown Playa del Carmen, some areas of the beach have a lot of seaweed, but you can see tractors cleaning it up. The beaches will be nice and clean this week, and hotels as well as restaurants will be opening up. The hurricane season is between the months of June and November. This is also when the seaweed usually comes in. There was a recent tropical storm in the area, but the weather has now been really nice again, and the seaweed will soon be gone.
I actually bought a beer for the first time in like 3 months. Roman has a bad influence on me.
that's one for you.
Thank you. Cheers.
You can say cheers. Welcome to Mexico.
Welcome everybody. It will be open really soon actually. One cold beer and some chips. What else can you ask for? And a beach. Here they actually clean up all the seaweed. Come out. People are coming. I'm back here in Playa Car now, and in conclusion it seems like Playa del Carmen will be open in the coming week. Because you see more people and they are cleaning the beach and all this stuff.
Hello, I came back now to Playa Car. I got a bit sunburned actually on my nose, even though I had my Playa del Carmen hat on all day. I think I'm gonna go and take a little shower outside actually. We have a shower right outside here.
Here is the shower.
I think this will be the end of the video now. Thank you very much for watching this video, and thank you everybody for all the comments. I really appreciate everybody who takes their time to watch the videos and post comments, and yeah, thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave this video a thumbs up and post a comment. See you next time, goodbye! Don't forget to watch my next video about the famous town of Tulum. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see it.